Welcome student our Target Up study channel. In this video we will be cover top 10 MCQ related for voltage regulator. This is the second video. First video link I will be provide in description. First question. The switching voltage regulator can be of the following type. Option A step down, option B step up, option C inverting, option D all of the above. Basically there are two types of the voltage regulator. First linear voltage regulator and second switching voltage regulator. In switching voltage regulator there are three types: step up and step down and last inverter voltage regulator. The option A, B, C, step up, step down and inverting. The option D, all of the above is correct. All of the above is correct. Next question. The power efficiency of a switching regulator is much higher than that of the linear regulator because of its operate. Option A, like a switch. Option B, in cutoff. Option C, in saturation. Option D, on high duty cycle. Switching regulator are most efficient because of the series element is either fully conducted or switched off, so it is dissipate almost no power. In switching regulator are able to generate output voltage that are higher than the input voltage or the opposite polarity, unlike linear regulators. The correct option is A, like a switch. As compared to switching regulator and linear regulator, the high power efficiency in switching regulator as compared to linear regulator. This is the comparator chart. Output range is limited in linear voltage regulator and switching voltage regulator output range is flexible. Second, linear voltage regulator simple circuit, in switching regulator complex circuit. Low noise content in linear regulator, high noise content is in switching regulator, and fast response in linear regulator and slow response in switching regulators. The correct option is A, like a switch. Next question. In a feedback series regulator circuit, the output voltage is regulated by controlling the option A, magnitude of the input voltage, option B, gain of the feedback transistor, option C, reference voltage, and option D, voltage drops across the series pass transistor. In feedback series regulator circuit, the output voltage is regulated by controlling the voltage drops across the series pass transistor. The option D is correct. Next question. The output voltage of a step down type switching voltage regulator depends on option A, duty cycle, option B, input voltage, option C, transistor on time, and option D, all of the above. Here output voltage of the step down type switching in switching voltage regulator, the most of the step down voltage regulator controlled by the high switching frequencies. The frequency related to duty cycles, transistor on times, input voltage. The here to correct option is D, all of the above. Option D is the correct. Next question. In op-amp, shunt regulator differs from the series regulator in the sense that its control element is connected in option A, parallel with line resistor, option B, series with line resistor, option C, parallel with load resistor, and option D, parallel with input voltage. In op-amp, shunt regulator differs from the series regulator in the sense that its control element is connected in series with line resistor. Next question. A transistor series voltage regulator is called emitter follower regulator because the emitter of the pass transistor follows the dash voltage. shown in the circuit. Here to emitter across, measure the emitter across the output voltage. The correct option is base. Emitter base across to measure output voltage. The correct option is A. Next question. As compared to voltage regulator made up of discrete components, IC regulator have the inherent advantage of, as compared to the discrete component and IC regulator, to inherent advantage of, first remote control, option B current limiting, option C self protection against over temperature, and option D all of the above. As compared to the discrete component and IC regulator, all of the above. In IC regulator, inherent advantages of remote control, current limiting, self protection against over temperature. The option D is correct, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is not an essential element of DC power supply? In DC power supplies included the rectifier, filters, voltage regulators. In DC power voltage supply, there are 5 blocks: the AC voltage, alternating current, transformer, next rectifier is convert AC to DC, here to pay. Next filter is remove the AC component, and next to voltage regulator. In the option, the voltage amplifier not included in this block diagram. The correct option is D, voltage amplifier. Next question. Percentage of regulation is given by. Here to calculation formulas. To correct, choose the correct option. The C option is correct. Voltage no load minus voltage full load divided by full load into 100. So this is the percentage calculation of regulation. Next question. In IC regulator, dash dash is used to increase the current capacity of the regulator. Option A reference voltage source, option B pass transistor, option C error amplifier, option D none of the above. In IC regulator, pass transistor is used to increase the current capacity of the regulator. The option B is correct. Please like and subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming new videos.